thanks for your video. It was helpful seeing how to pull this thing apart. I have to replace the start capacitor, but I've kind of been putting it off for months. Your video helped. One thing I noticed though, on my dryer, it has an extra washer. It's got the nut, the spring washer, that washer, and then when I pull this one off, this tiny little washer fell on the ground. That is just a spacer there that stops, so that when that one's tightened on, it stops that from tightening onto that. So if you lose those, which would be very easy to do, especially if you're working outside, then when you tighten it back up, it's going to be pushing onto the metal back as well. And I've also noticed that there's another one on here too, which would also be easy to lose.